Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Sonja here, and today I am making an Instant Pot split pea soup. I have made ham the other day and got 2 meals out of it, and then I saved the bone, so I'm going to make a third meal out of it and hopefully some lunches. So for this split pea soup, you will need some carrots, some celery, onion, garlic, green peas, broth, bay leaf, thyme, and parsley, obviously a bone. I am also going to be adding some meat to mine. And then you need some salt and pepper. So I'm gonna get my veggies ready and I'm going to saute them in my Instant Pot. I do apologize, every time I grab a camera he seems to want to go outside. And I'm going to get started on this by, like I said, chopping veggies and sauteing them first. So once I prepped all my veggies, I preheated my Instant Pot on a saute mode. Preheated the oil. I just used olive oil, and then I added my veggies, my onion, celery, and carrots, and then I also pressed through about 3 cloves of garlic. I just used my Pamper Chef garlic press to press it through. My garlic press is on the Fritz, so I would love to know if there is one that you use that you absolutely love, because I am in search of a new one. I have had this one for such a long time that I really don't even know what's out there on the market that's really good. So I sauteed this until my veggies were softened, so pretty straightforward, and you want to do stir it frequently so your garlic and your onions don't burn. I will have the recipe that I used linked in the description box, because this is the first time that I have ever made this soup. So I did follow a recipe, so I will link it down in the description box for you to check out if you want to try it out. This meal went so far for me. Like I mentioned, I got 3 different dinners out of it, out of one ham. So I think it's well worth the price that you pay if you can get it on sale. So once I thought the veggies were ready, you want your onion to be translucent. I gave it a one last stir before I started adding the other ingredients. So at this point I have added my split peas as well as my broth, and then I did end up adding the bone, the ham. Now in the recipe it doesn't call for extra ham. I did however have tons of ham still in the freezer from the when I made it, so I did chop it up and added that about 2 cups of that as well. Then I'm adding bay leaf, some parsley, thyme, and salt and pepper. Now once I have added all of my ingredients, I did see that the bone wasn't fully covered with the broth. This is my homemade broth that I used. I did end up adding a bit more water because I did want the ham to be fully covered in the pot. And then I added my salt and pepper after that. Now it's time to start my Instant Pot. I'm going to set it on manual pressure, high pressure, on manual high pressure at 15 minutes. So you typically want to give yourself extra 15 minutes at the beginning and at the end to truly get the full timing, in my opinion. So the soup is done. I just feel that it needs a little bit more salt, so I'm going to add a touch more. I just tried it, and because I use my homemade broth, which is not salty, it probably, that's why I needed more salt. But if you are just using store-bought with just regular one, then I would definitely taste it before you add more salt to make sure that it's not too salty, or that's salty enough. I'm going to remove the bone, and then it's ready to eat. My family is going to have some BLT sandwiches with it. I'm not feeling like one, so I'll just have the soup. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're planning on trying this soup, or if you have a recipe for this one that sounds even better. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!